Hey guys, Derek from Cordero Clothing here. We've had a lot of questions about our teal suits. We have a lot of people come to us because they can't find them anywhere else. And we have about 4 to 5 fabrics right now of the teal. So one thing I wanted to bring up is, how do you wear a teal suit? A lot of our clients that are buying right now are wedding parties. A lot of destination weddings are buying them as well. So when we have people come to us, especially for weddings or those who are business professionals, we want to teach them how to wear this suit for many years and how to bring it into their wardrobe. One of the things that we really highly recommend is use neutrals. Use whites, use blacks. White shirts really pop. It allows the color to really stand out. So the teal suit is a bold enough color already where you want to let it pop. You want to let it stand out. Don't want to bring in another bold color that's going to challenge that. So with the white shirt, it's really letting the suit stand out and pop. We've got the white buttonhole here as well. That's going to allow just like a little different look to it. That's still going to that pops right off the suit. So the black bow tie here as well, black ties are great colors to use with it. We've seen a black shirt with it, and that to me is something that I'm a huge fan of. I really love the black shirt with the teal suit. So like I said, use your whites, use your blacks. We've seen a pink as well, a really pastel pink with this suit as well, and I think it's such a brilliant color to bring in, and that pink goes with so many different things as well. So if you're looking to buy a teal suit, let us know. We have a lot of fabrics with it, and we'll take all your measurements, made to measure, 15 to 20 measurements, a bunch of different customizations that come along with that. So if you're interested in the teal suit, contact us at Cordero Clothing. If you own one or are looking to purchase one, let us know because we'd love to help you find out how to style this so it's something that you're going to be wearing for many, many years.